back, everybody. Mid-February, got a full day. Gonna go fly the kite, do some wreck fishing, do some trolling. But we gotta get our live bait first, so we'll let you know when that happens.
Adjusted to make it go out instead of going straight up.
Yeah, you put the lead on whatever corner you want it, so it doesn't compromise what we got going on behind the boat.
Right.
And then there's a bridle that adjusts open or close to make it go up or down. So you gotta take into consideration the weight of your bait, the size of your bait, all that good stuff. All right, Amberjack going back. Number 2. All right, Amberjack number 2. Here you go. Put that in the rod holder, buddy. Take this rod right here. You got a sailfish on over here. Oh, here, just take this. This is the sailfish. All right, we're gonna have to chase him, I think. Let me start reeling this other stuff in. Hopefully, he starts coming back towards us. All right, guys, we got a sailfish on. He ate a thread herring in the kite. Clearing out the spread. Jumping out there?
Yeah.
Do the best you can. I'm trying to go as fast as I can.
He's going like crazy.
He's going nuts. All right, hang on with me, Dennis.
Okay. All right,
we're gonna start chasing him. All right, you're gonna have to lean against the back right here. I got it dry. Okay, guys, we're fighting the sailfish. Got Dennis hooked up. Is this your first one?
Yeah.
First sailfish ever for Dennis. Let's see if we can't get the release. Just let him run. He's doing the work for you right now.
Yeah.
Save that energy. We hooked this on a thread herring in the kite. Fishing, caught a couple amberjacks for a little while, a couple bonitos, and now we got a sail. There he is, jumping out here. Start walking up to the front for me. And then you can sit right on that pool. Right all the way up here. There he is. There he is. That's a good one. All right, first sailfish.
Yeah, man.
We'll just fight him right up. I mean, he's not quite done. You're all the way there.
Yep.
We'll see if we. He's right here. Yep, that is a caught fish. Nice work. There's your sailfish.
Yes, sir. Beautiful.
I want to make sure we get a good release. estimate him. I'd say he's about 60, huh? About 65 inches, I'd say.
Oh yeah. There you go.
I gotta go around. I gotta go around. Hang on. There he goes. Nice job, brother. First sailfish, baby. Nice work. Alrighty. That's a wrap. Today, we fished with a repeat client, Dennis. Last year, when I met Dennis, he wanted to catch a wahoo. And we went and got a wahoo, and he mounted it. And this year, Dennis came back and wanted a sailfish, and we got that for him too this year. So it was a successful day. Catching live bait paid off. Check you on the next charter.